Hello everyone, I'm Henry, and unfortunately I couldn't make it over this year. But I've prepared a quick talk. This is about PAW, the Privileges Audit Worker. So let's start. Most of you have heard of SAP Privileges, and yesterday Nate in his talk shared different approaches to managing admin access on macOS. He also referred to SAP Privileges. SAP Privileges now has a new feature. It supports webhooks with mutual TLS support. So we need to have privileges, we send out a webhook, and we need to have a client certificate installed on our endpoints. But a backend that requests this client certificate doesn't exist yet. I've written one as a toy project. So this is PAW, the Privilege Audit Worker. The name may change in the future, and it can be deployed on Cloudflare. As a free service running on Cloudflare, this will clone the project. It will immediately start it. We have to do some extra steps that I skip here to initialize the database. And once that is done, the API is up and running on Cloudflare. So we can immediately use it. Here the setup is that the green endpoint is protected and requests a client certificate, but the other endpoints can be used with a bearer token. So if we use the token and we look into what we have here right now, we see there's no event, but we can create one by using SAP Privileges. Now we can go back, execute again, and we see an event has been pushed with some metadata. So the usual use cases, someone on his Mac needs to have privileges, so this will push it out back to this backend, and we can collect the data. But what if the user is offline? Again, Privileges will collect all the events, and next time it's back online or is used again, it will send these events to the backend. So we go back online here. We use Privileges once more because we don't want to wait for 5 minutes. This is a quick talk. And now we see the new event has been pushed as well. So, of course, if we aggregate these events from not one, but many computers in the fleet, we want to have some analytics. So therefore, we have some endpoints built here that deliver just that. So you can query the analytics endpoints for the events. You can have some filtering, and you can have pagination and a time window. And this is very useful to aggregate the data and then send it or request it and use it for Power BI, Splunk, or other services. And there's also a summary which gives you the reasoning all aligned. And this helps to make informed decisions why the users requesting privileges, and maybe you can improve the workflows for them so they need to use privileges less. This project is available on GitHub. It's open source. It's only built for privileges. It's written in Hono. It's self-hosted, running on Cloudflare. And you need to have, of course, privileges deployed and a client certificate that is installed into the system keychain via a name profile. Right now, this is a pre-release. I have to improve the documentation. But if you're interested in this, I'm very curious to talk to you. So please reach out either over GitHub or on Slack. I wish you a good remaining conference. Thanks everyone for listening. Thanks Matt for having me. And I hope to be back next year. Thanks. Bye.